If you want more people to know about your business and you don't want to waste money on unnecessary advertising, in this video, I'm going to show you Google Business Profile, aka Google My Business, what it is and how it can help you radically change your business visibility. It is a marketing tool available for free. Every business should be making the most of. Hey, I'm Serena.Ryan. I run Dotterized e-commerce agency. I'm a mum of two. And my son said, "Hey mum, don't you like spending time with us?" He stopped me in my tracks to realize I'd had it all around the wrong way. I was working so hard I couldn't see the very reason in front of me why I started my business, and that was to have quality time with my kids. I see how important it is with businesses to be sustainable with good budgeting, and I look at that and that experience and how I apply that to my personal life now. It all starts with better budgets. Google Business Profile is formerly known as Google My Business, and it is a free business profile available thanks to Google to help showcase your business online. Think of it as Google's version of the Yellow Pages. It is essentially a listing of your business, but it gives you so much more than being available amongst thousands of others in a listing hidden in a book that can also be used as a doorstop. It enables you to make the most of technology to connect with your customers, enable them to contact you and find out more about you and build a relationship with you. You find Google Business Profile, aka Google My Business, quite simply through a Google search of Google Business Profile or Google My Business, or you can use the link underneath this video in the description. Your free business profile enables you to connect with your customers over Google Maps and Google Search. One of the trickiest parts about getting a Google Business Profile is getting your business verified. It's not as hard as it sounds. It really is something that just needs a bit of time. Most commonly, they will want to verify you by sending out a postcard to you. Hot tip on this one, just because they're asking for your address does not mean it needs to have your address publicly showing on your listing. You can untick the I service customers from this address, and that means that you can set a service area or put in postcodes to define the areas that you service without servicing people at your address. Google just wants to know that you are who you say you are and needs an authentic way to ensure that. Pop your address details in, get the postcard sent out, and you should be well on your way to getting verified. The postcard is really the most straightforward way to get it done. And while you're waiting for your postcard, you can still go through and set up your whole listing and make it nice and easy for when you have that verification code. The more information you can provide, the better. Pop in photos of you and any other team members, photos of your products. You can do product listings. You have the opportunity to run promotions as well as, this is my favorite, reviews. Google reviews are a brilliant way for people to verify you are who you say you are and for people to understand your points of difference in the market. Plus, with your reviews, you have the opportunity to integrate them into your website. Think of it, Google love to be able to be the ideal matchmaker. They want to match the person's problem to the best possible solution. That is the most straightforward thing Google as a search engine wants to enable. When you can make the most of the free tools available by Google and give them as much information as they're asking for, you naturally will increase the opportunities for people to find you more because you are helping Google look good. Think of Google as your number one referral partner. Google is always going to recommend the businesses that make them look good. When someone types in their problem into the search engine, if you are the best case of the one who will make Google look good and you will solve that problem the best possible way, Google will show you. And when Google gives you free tools to be able to showcase your business, it's an incredible opportunity to give Google exactly the information they're asking for to be able to help them match you to a problem that needs to be solved. When we make the most of the Google Business Profile, we're helping Google and we're helping ourselves. We're helping our business grow because Google will naturally send more people your way if you've given all the right signals to say exactly what you can solve and how you can solve it. So if you're getting reviews coming into your business regularly saying that you're good and you are who you say you are, and you're regularly showing that you're communicating with your customers, doing things like responding to reviews, responding to inquiries, demonstrating that you are a good business, Google's going to naturally give you some kind of increased visibility and opportunity to gain more business. I am passionate about people making the most of what they have available to them before they spend money in the paid arena so they can grow their business from a stronger foundation. And it's fun. It's fun to see businesses grow and thrive and people achieve what they want to be able to achieve. And that is have healthy, happy, thriving businesses. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Better Budgets with Serena.Ryan, and every week new videos are available to help you with better budgets in business and life.